while playing Fortnite, if you got this issue of code execution cannot proceed because gameinput.dll failed to load, the issue can be resolved really quickly. So what you need to do is you need to go to your search, type in here for command prompt, and make sure that you right click and run as administrator. Click on yes. Now you need to run this simple command dism/online /cleanup -image /restore health. I will copy it and just go paste it here. So again, see the command. You can also pause the video here, hit enter, and it will start downloading and installing the latest tool and restore it. So it could take a bit of a time. In most of the cases, your issue will be resolved by doing this. But in some cases, if this issue is still there, you need to go to your browser and we need to download this DLL file. So I will paste it in the description, this link. If you go down to the link, you can see game input redist. Click on this and it will download. Once the download is complete, just go and open it. It will simply ask you once to install it. Just go and click on yes, and it will install it. So now you can see it is already installed. Now you need to open up your file explorer and you need to go to local disk C, go to Windows. Now here search for system32. So press S, go down. Here you can see system32, open it up. Now you need to search for game input, hit enter. And here you can see game input. In your case, if you can find game input redist. So for example, if the file name is game input redist, what you need to do is like this. You need to rename the file to game input only and hit enter. So this file name should be only game input. So once you have done so, just go and after this whole 100%, restart your computer and start your game and it would work. I hope this video has helped you, but before you go, please like the video.